So this is a Bayou Oaks apartment. Coming in, the first thing you see is the kitchen. Over here we have cabinet space, a built-in microwave and more cabinet space. We have a full-size refrigerator. We have more cabinet space. And then we have a 2 stovetop stove, a dishwasher, a deep sink. We have our thermostat. And then we see our living room here. It comes with 1 full-size couch, 1 accent wall, another little smaller seat, and 2 tables. Yeah. And so this is my side of the room, of the apartment. You walk in and you see the 2 rooms, our cabinets, and our 2 sinks. This one is my sink. You get the sink, and then it's like a nice mirror with good lighting, a nice little medicine cabinet for you to put your toiletries in, and also a towel rack. And then in the bathroom, we have a shower and our toilet, and I put a little trash can in there. Bayou Oaks does not come with any trash cans, so you may want to buy a few. And then our shower. And then I bought me a little mat. And then you have a towel hook on the back of the door. And yeah, that's our bathroom. Once again, we have 2 cabinets on the bottom. Those are 2 fake drawers on the top. So that's the A room right next to the sink. And then that's the B room. And then we have 2 cabinets, 1 top and 1. And in this one, I just put my towels, and then the bottom one is empty. My suite mate just moved out. And so this is our B room. And the B room, you have your mirror, you have your queen size bed, a full size bed. It got a desk, a chair, 2 dressers. She put them underneath her bed. And then the window, this is just the view from our windows. We see right into the courtyard of Bayou Oaks. And then it also comes with 2 lamps. And yeah, and then this is a closet, completely empty. It's a pretty big closet, enough space for you to hang up your clothes. Yeah, so that's the B room. I live in the A room. So this is just the empty B room. Moving on to the A room, which is mine's. Yes, this is my lovely room. Starting off, on the back of my door, I have this rack where I'll hang up all my jackets and coats and stuff. And I just have my shoes behind my door. And then those are my 2 dresser drawers. I stacked them on top of each other. And that's my TV and some little trinkets I put on the wall. I bought this curtain off Amazon. It's a blackout curtain because on my side it gets pretty bright. This is my desk. And that's just a little nook. I have my computer over here, my toaster oven, and just some little stuff around my desk. The desk has a little pull-out feature if you have a lot of homework and you just need more space to do stuff. And this room also comes with a chair. Those are my hats, my printer that my mom got me. This room also comes with lights. And these are just some more drawers that I have. I got my clear drawers from Walmart a few years ago, so I just had that when I moved in already. And so we have a full-size mirrors. I got this little tower from Aldi for like 13 bucks. I just put my food, some toiletries, some plates and cups over there. These are my wall decorations. I got that tapestry off of Amazon for like 10 bucks. And this is my full-size bed. And this is my closet. I have a lot of clothes, so I just have a lot hung up. I have a shoe rack and my dirty clothes bin. And then up here are just some paintings that I made to decorate my wall. And yeah, that's pretty much it. This is my Bayou Oaks apartment tour. If you have any questions, let me know.